Welcome to your dream ranch in North Carolina, where modern comfort meets peaceful country living. Nestled on over 2 acres of private land with no HOA or subdivision, this home gives you space to breathe, room to roam, and the perfect balance of style and functionality. Place, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. At the heart of the home, the stunning kitchen features a center island, granite countertops, soft close cabinetry, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. It's designed for both everyday living and hosting memorable gatherings with family and friends. The primary suite offers a private retreat with dual sinks, a spacious walk-in closet, and a shower with bench seating. A private door leads directly to the oversized screened porch, creating the perfect connection between indoor comfort and outdoor tranquility. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath provide flexible spaces for family, guests, or a home office. A 2-car carport, tankless water heater, and backup generator add convenience and peace of mind, making this property as practical as it is beautiful. Outside, the oversized screened porch invites you to relax and enjoy the serene surroundings. With open green space, privacy, and modern upgrades throughout, this North Carolina ranch is ideal for those seeking both comfort and a connection to nature. Experience a lifestyle that combines elegance, functionality, and quiet country charm, all in one remarkable property. Your new chapter starts here.